Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G650. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct, and also using Canon Print app. This is Canon Print app and the printer is online, G600 series online. To scan documents, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down, and also make sure the document start from the top left side of the printer. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. From Canon Print app, select scan. Select change settings. Select data format as PDF. Original text. Document. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. Document is selected. Color mode. We want to scan this in color. Original size A4 plating. If you have different paper, you can select the paper you want to scan to. So A4 is selected. Then go back. Select scan. It will show you scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the next page, open the cover, turn the document the other way around, close the cover, then select scan for it to scan the second page. You can do this as many as you like. Then once you're done, select exit. File is saved. Then select OK. So these are documents we scanned to mobile phone. To print this document out or to share it to somebody, you select this share icon. Select on it. It will give you platforms you can send the document to or print the document out. So if you want to share the document via email, you select email, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, WhatsApp, etc. But in this case, I want us to print the document out. So scroll down and select Canon Print. Canon Print. Then it asks you, do you want to use the following printer, G600 series? Then select yes. It's processing, so it's attaching the two documents. Then select next. You can print the document double-sided or print all in one go. So to print all, then select OK. Select change settings. Select number of copies. Select the size of the paper, media type, and plain paper. You want to print this in color, so color mode is selected. Color mode. And the paper type is plain paper, same as original. This printer, you can only print single page. If you want to print double-sided, you need to reload the paper and print it out, which I'm going to show you. So we're going to print simplest. Then go back, select print. First page is printed. Printing the second page. These are documents we printed in color, single page each, and it will show you on the phone printing is completed. Then you select OK. Now I want to show you how to print double-sided manually. Select next. Select pages in range, then type page 1 to 1. 1 to 1, select OK. Then select number of copies, the paper as A4, media type plain, and also want to print it in color. two-sided is simplest, then select print. So it's going to print the first page, then we need to reload the paper and print the second page. We will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then take the paper, reload it on the tray with the area printed on the back. Then select OK on the screen to confirm the paper. A for plain paper, select OK. Then select on the mobile phone, click Next. Select Pages, page 2 of 2. To print the second page, select OK, 2 of 2. You can select the color. I want us to print the color in monochrome. Then go back, then select Print. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, manually. It will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then you can go back to the home page, select Yes. So this is the document. So this is how to scan document with this printer, save the document to the mobile phone, and also print the document single page and also double-sided in black and white or color, depending on the one you choose. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.